Oh, okay. Today's element of the day is hydrogen. Hydrogen's atomic symbol is H, and its atomic number is 1. It is the first element on the periodic table. Turns into gas at negative 423.17 degrees, and it turns into a liquid at negative 434.45 degrees. Its atomic weight is 1.00794, which makes it the lightest element as well. And its atomic density is 0.082. Hydrogen is the lightest, simplest, and most abundant elements in the universe. Hydrogen plays a key role in powering stars through nuclear fusion. So without hydrogen, we'd all be like freezing our butts off now because of the sun, and we'd all be dead. And water is pretty much just 2 hydrogen atoms and 1 oxygen atoms. Hydrogen is used, liquid hydrogen is used in rocket fuel. So that will be very explosive, kind of. Oh, wait. Oh yeah, there's a hydrogen bomb there. And hydrogen was used in blimps called Zeppelins, but it was because it was cheaper and it floated better. But they stopped because they exploded a lot. And you know how, no, the Hindenburg did not do, NASA believes it was not because of the hydrogen, but because of the waterproof coating on the outside of the blimp that was highly flammable. So 75% of all mass in the universe is hydrogen. 10% of the weight in all living things, well, 10% of the weight in you, and pretty much all of you here is hydrogen because of the water in you. Yeah, liquid hydrogen, it has the lowest density of any liquid. Hydrogen is the only element that can exist without
Jake, can you hold on 1 second? Our friend needs to sharpen his pencil. Okay, you can keep going, Jake.
So yeah, hydrogen is the only element that can exist without neutrons, which, as you know, there are protons and neutrons, and that's why its atomic symbol is 1, because it only has 1 proton. So you would see, can you go to the pictures? So anyways, when the pictures come up, like, just like the pictures over here. So as you can see, there is a hydrogen atom here. This is the nucleus and this is the proton. Normally, so Jay is Googling helium right now, so I can give an example how, like, most elements need to have at least 1 proof. All elements except hydrogen have to have a neutron and proton. So that's helium. You can see there. So there's a proton here. I think I can't tell which one's plus or minus. So I can't. They're both minus, and the middle is plus. Well, anyways, as you can see, it has like 2 orbiting it now. And oh wait, no, the protons are here. So yeah, pretty much. So as you can see, it has them orbiting around like that. So there is more, like, it has 2 things orbiting, and it just doesn't have 1 like helium, hydrogen, because hydrogen had 1 circle in the middle with another one orbiting around it, like that. And 1 out of 3 elements produced in the Big Bang was hydrogen. So, and they all formed compounds. Like, they mixed together, and that mixed with other things is really complicated. So that was one of the ones believed to have occurred in the Big Bang. Lithium also occurred, and so did helium. And Jake?
You just answered the question.
Hydrogen is an odorless, colorless, and tasteless gas. So therefore, if this room was filled with hydrogen, we would not know, but we would because we wouldn't be. Yes? It's smellless too. Yeah, odorless. Hydrogen comes from the Greek words hydro and gen, meaning water generator. And any questions? None? Okay, does anybody have hydrogen on their little card?
We don't.
If nobody does, we're just going to skip the little test and go to the I might as well look. But I go up for our group again. Yeah, just.
Okay, so we're gonna do the game with the whiteboard.
I go up the